So today's video is on the refueling of the chainsaw and what I do when I have a full wrap bar. So it's always a problem if it doesn't balance perfectly wherever it's at. The full wrap bars are hard to deal with. They roll around. They're hard to fill up and do anything with. Anyway, I'm going to put gas in this and I'll show you what I do. I usually come to like the end of a log when I'm bucking wood or anywhere, and it's something kind of simple you wouldn't even really think of, but if you just take your saw and lay it on the end of the log like that, it kind of lays down like a regular saw, and the little full wrap bar goes down there, and it gives you a really stable surface for fueling up your saw and putting oil and stuff in it. So you can see right now it's really stable. Doesn't really want to move around that much. And basically that's what I do. So there's the tip for the day. Cutting big wood, using big saws, and being able to deal with your full wrap bar versus, well, some people throw them on the ground too, which I guess really works, but it does kind of want to move around all over unless you can get it like that. But like I said, I prefer to just have it up at this height, just on a nice log like that. It's actually perfect. All right, well, that's it for the tip of the day, and we'll see you on the next video.